Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a resource that allows you to see the difference between good UX design and bad UX design. Okay, so just go to this website, can'tunsee.space. So let's click on it, and as you can see from the beginning, these are simple examples if you want to learn design and get better at UX and UI design. Okay, so let's go through a series of examples here so you can master the difference between good and bad design. So as you can see, these are two examples, and in my opinion, the the correct design is this one here because you can see that the contrast and the typography. If you look at the typography for this one and for that one, this is more professional. This is more refined and finished, whereas this just looks childish and there's not enough contrast here. So I'm gonna click on this one. There you go, and I got it right. And you can also the good thing about this tool, you can also compare. You can compare. If you click hold on compare, you will see the bad design, and if you let go of it you'll see the good design. So let's move on to the next one. This is another example as well. Let's see which one is the right design. I would say I would say this one. Why? Because you when it comes to design, it's not just about contrast or color. It's about everything else, okay? It's about how everything works. And if you look at this, you can see the shapes are all consistent with each other. Whereas here, you can see this is like a rectangle. This is like a light text. It's way too light to be a name. And this is a circle, and it's not, it's just not as neatly designed as this one. Okay, this I will go for this one and say this is the correct UX design. And as you can see, I got it right as well. But if I click on compare again, you can see the difference. Okay, you can just see that the correct one is just more refined. But if you look at the bad one, it's just amateurish. So now let's go to the last one here. Now this last one, it's a bit different. Can you notice anything? Can you notice? Can you see the good design and the bad design? Can you notice? You look at the shapes. In design, shapes are very important as well. If you have a smartphone and you're used to messaging on your phone, you can mimic what they're doing here with the shapes. Okay, if you look at the shapes of these chat boxes, this one is in alignment. It's you can see it's in alignment with this one. It's not overlapping, whereas this one is it's overlapping this one, which is just it's amateurish. Like I said, it's not professional. Okay, and it doesn't work. Okay, it makes things look messy. Okay, but whereas this one, it's got enough white space to show you the hierarchy of the messages that's been sent, as you can see. But yeah, this one is refined and everything is refined. The typography is refined as well. And yeah, this is the good UX and this is the bad UX. So I'm gonna click on this one. And as you can see, guys, I got it right. So let's click on compare. Let's click down on compare again just to see the bad UX. Now, oh, as you can see, so this is the good UX. Let's move on to the next one as well. Now, if you one thing about this tool, remember the site is called can'tunsee.space. You can go through a series of exercises. As you can see, this exercise goes from 1 to 18. So it's a good way to practice UX design. It's a good way to practice the difference, to know the difference between good and bad design. Okay, so this is a tool you might want to spend a lot of time on. I'm not going to go through everything. I just wanted to share this tool with you guys because this is something that I found out today, and it's been very, very helpful for me because I'm just starting to get back into design, and I've been learning how to do UX design and with Figma and everything else. So this is a good tool that you want to add to your skill set as well, so you can get better at design. So I hope you find this resource and this video useful. If you are going to start using this tool, Let me know in the comment below, guys. Thank you so much for watching and take care of yourself. Bye bye.